Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Zara application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profile icon, which is the fourth option down below. Now tap on settings. Click on device settings, scroll down to the preferred language section and tap on language. Now as you can see in the suggested languages section, you can choose from the English and French ones, but if you scroll down to the other languages section, you are free to select from whatever language you prefer or you speak. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.